you guys, it's your girl Beauty with Mika, and this is going to be part, yes, London.
Babush?
Say hi, London. Alright, so this is going to be step by step of how do I change out the shelving liner in my vanity. So yes, there go Caleb. Say hi. This was an impromptu video, you guys. I do have shorts on, but I changed out the shelf lining. Move. I changed out the shelf lining. Hey you guys, it's your girl Beauty with Mika. So let's go ahead and continue with this video. So this is the shelf liner that's currently in my Alex 9 drawers. I pretty much, what you're gonna see is how I do it step by step, and I usually do this like every 3 or 4 months depending on how much makeup and dirt I get. But I go ahead and use this type of shelf liner. You can get it at Dollar Tree. I did not see mine at Dollar Tree. So I picked up this roll at Target. It was $4.99, and this is the size. It's 48 centimeters by 3/4. Yes, so it's 12 inches by 10. And what I do is, there go Caleb, see his little toes. So what I do is I pull out one from out of my drawer, and then I start measuring this roll to go ahead and get all the shelving. So then you guys will see in the next. So you guys will see in the next clip how I go ahead and take everything out, deep clean it, and then go ahead and reposition these liners in the drawers. I really do like that these, excuse the kids, because this is an impromptu video. So I really do like that these actually keep my drawers clean and actually just avoid all the makeup from moving around in the drawers as I'm opening and closing them. So it does have that grip on it. Again, this is the grip liner that you can get at Target. My Dollar Tree didn't have these. Walmart does have them also, but I wanted the bigger roll because as you can see, this is bigger than those little smaller rolls, so that way I can get more bang for my buck. And this is in the shade white. I know it looks like a tan color. This is tan, and then this is white. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, you guys, so now you see what I did with the glass when I meant the glass. This actually has a white underlay under it, so I didn't need to put anything. So I'm actually going to trash the liner that I had. Then I'll just wipe down this stuff. You guys say this mirror is hella heavy. I should have listened to my husband when he said get him to help me, but of course I want to be stubborn and get this done. There go my girl Teresa Renee. I told y'all she was gonna post a video. If you haven't subscribed to her channel, go ahead. You gotta catch up because this story is good, honey. I can't wait to finish. I did just do an unboxing, so you guys will see this before. I did upgrade my Simple Human mirror, so this one is a larger one, and it actually does what? Lost the words, Lord. It adjusts versus the other one didn't. So these power cords are still going strong. I'm just charging my iPhone, and then I'm charging this because you have to do it for 24 hours. And now we're gonna go into the deep cleaning. There's my empty, so empty should be coming soon. I am working on a travel video because I will be going out of town soon. Y'all see all these shoes that I have? This is a hotmess.com, and honestly this is way better because I went from 70, at least about 70 pairs of shoes, to now I think I'm down to like maybe 20 or 30, I don't know. But yeah, let's go ahead and now continue. But I do really like this glass. Now this is a candle holder topper from Bath and Body Works. I use this because I like to have my coffee in the morning, so I use this, and because now I got the glass, I have a reason. Now I will say this will make me definitely keep this clean, so I will be getting some Windex wipes and the mirror. And if you're wondering what I used, I apologize for the lighting. I have been using this Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface everyday cleaner. This works so good. I've been using this around the house. You get at Target. This is the lemon verbata. I just like it. I feel like when you smell lemon in your house, you know your house is clean. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I haven't really changed a lot of the layout of this stuff. A lot of this stuff is like everyday essentials that I grab and everything, and my clock and everything. So this is more like my everyday area. Now let me show you guys the deep cleaning. so you guys already just got an idea of what I did. I will make this video fast. I'm gonna go ahead and finish off the rest of the drawers because I literally have 9, 10, 11, 12. Literally have 13 more drawers that I need to take out and clean. But that's an idea of just to give you guys, because I'm not going to record the entire thing, but just to show you guys how I deep clean the drawers, take everything out. I highly recommend you do that. Remember, it's your makeup, sanitation reasons, things like that. Plus, I'm a germ freak, and the kids open my drawers and they touch everything. I know plenty of other people that do this that are on YouTube, and it's just all you're doing is changing out the liners, wiping everything down, and putting it basically back together. Plus you actually get to declutter. So actually, as while I'm doing this, I'm actually decluttering. This is Mother's Day weekend. I know, why am I doing this Mother's Day weekend? Because I don't know how to rest. So yeah, while the twins are napping, I am getting this done. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys want to see more cleaning videos, go ahead and leave a comment down below. I will have a vlog coming up for you guys in June that I hope you guys like. And I will talk to you guys soon. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. If you are new to this channel and you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and spread the word. Shout out to Teresa Renee, because girl, that vlog, check her out, you guys. Those story times be I hope you had a great day. Happy Mother's Day in advance. By the time you guys are watching this, to all the mothers, I don't care if you don't have kids, adopted, however, if someone calls you your mom, happy Mother's Day. Talk to you guys soon. Bye. You say hi.
Hi.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.